Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn what is skin effect, what are the factors affecting skin effect, and how we can reduce the skin effect. Suppose this is a conductor which is carrying current. So the property of a current carrying conductor is that it produces a magnetic field around its area. Okay. So this is the magnetic field produced by this current carrying conductor. Suppose this is a solid conductor. There are number of layers in a conductor which carry current and magnetic field is produced. Okay, so all these layers will produce magnetic field, and due to that, which creates a magnetic flux, and this magnetic flux will cancel each other. Okay, so due to the cancellation of magnetic flux, there is flux linkage. Okay, due to the cancellation of magnetic flux, there will be flux linkage. So at the center point, the flux linkage will be more, and at the outer surface, the flux linkage will less. This is because the center layer is surrounded by both the internal as well as external flux. There will be internal as well as external flux. But at the outer side, there will be only the external flux. You know the basic formula of inductance, that is L is equal to psi by I. So the flux linkage, suppose consider this as the center part. Okay, the flux linkage is more at the center, so the inductance will be more. We know the formula of reactance, that is XL is equal to 2 pi FL. Inductance is more, and therefore the inductive reactance will be more. The formula of impedance is equal to R plus XL. The XL, that is inductive reactance, is more at the center point over here. So therefore the impedance will be more. So at this point, at the center part, the impedance is more, and that's why the current flowing at the center position will be much less. Similarly, at the outer surface, now see the outer surface, or we can say skin of the conductor, the flux linkage will be less. That's why the inductance will be low, the inductive reactance will be less, and similarly the impedance will be less. As the impedance is less at the outer surface, the current will be more at the outer surface. Here you can see in this diagram, the current is saturated at the outer surface. So the definition of skin effect will be the non-uniform distribution of electric current over the surface or skin of the conductor carrying AC is called as the skin effect. The current carrying conductor is non-uniform and it is saturated at the outer layer, that is surface of the conductor. This is known as the skin effect. Next, we will see what are the factors affecting the skin effect. So if the frequency is more, the skin effect will be more. If the diameter is larger, the skin effect will be more. We can say that if the frequency is reduced below 50 Hz and the diameter is reduced below or kept below 1 centimeter, the skin effect will be negligible. In this case, in this way, we can reduce the skin effect. Okay. So next is the shape of conductor. So in this case, there are two types of conductor. First one is solid conductor. Okay. And next is the stranded conductor. Now in this solid conductor, the skin effect will be more because there is a more surface area available in case of solid conductor, and in case of stranded conductor, the skin effect will be lesser as compared to the solid conductor because the surface area over here is much lower as compared to the solid type of conductor. Next is the type of material. Suppose skin effect increases with the increase in permeability of the material. Permeability is the ability of material to support the formation of magnetic field. So if the permeability is greater in that particular material, the skin effect will also be greater. So we should use that type of material which has a lower permeability. Okay. So these are the ways we can reduce the skin effect. So this is all for today's video. I would like to thank you for watching my channel. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.